Are you ready to see some of the funniest dog moments posted on the internet? Hang in there because you are about to go on a roller coaster of emotion with us. Let's go. Drinking water is too normal. This should be the new way of getting water.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
That's what you get for messing with the dog. Her owner must be a yoga teacher for sure.
Go, no! Get out! No! Jump out! No! Catch it up! Catch it up! No! Catch it up! Back! Catch it up! Back! Catch it up! No! Hey!
They can be a pretty cool duo on the dance floor. Nobody shall touch this man. Don't mess with the bodyguard.
Babies, what are you guys doing? You gonna come out? No? Come on, little baby.
It looks as if they had taken a course in the army or something.
Oh, you can't do it now because we fixed it. Oh no. Are you pissed?
Come on.
Wow, this swing can be as thrilling as the one in the amusement park. The white furball must have misinterpreted the lever as a stalker.
Ciao. Io me ne vado, ciao. Ciao.
When the target has been successfully locked, it's time to attack. I wonder whether their owner will scold them for staining their furry coats. Shout out to the confident owner for helping the dog through such a dark tunnel, and the dog for being brave and confident. How will the dog explain to his owner about whatever's about to fall down? All he wants is some more delicious food for breakfast. Well, somebody has been drinking way too many cans of Red Bull.
No, you wanted to be a husky. You wanted to be a husky. Be a husky. It's cold. It's cold. You don't know what's going on out here. We black. Bando.
Hi. Hi, cute boy.
Ready? Go get it! Come on!
"10 points for the landing technique. The landing spot couldn't have been more risky." Who said big boy doesn't need to be loved? Everyone has their vulnerable moments.
You play with it. You play with it.
People who genuinely need to see the battle here are somehow going to get lost in the shuffle.
When you want to use your whole body to prove your love.
Enzo? Enzo! Where is Enzo? Enzo! Enzo! Hi, there you are! There is your baby! Hey, baby!
His eyes are going to be full of dark circles tomorrow morning, 100% sure.
What helping? We gotta stir it up good, right? Stir it up. Stir it up. Oh, stir it up.
Everything has its limit, and this is a convincing example for that. This log has been used on a barbecue party, right? No wonder he enjoys the smell so much. This is the most unequal tug-of-war I have ever seen.
Libby, we still don't got this? We still don't got this thing down?
When you are too sleepy but you can still feel the love and yawn. He has successfully proved to be a grown-up man by ringing the bell and waiting patiently. Cats and dogs may typically not get along, but not in this special case. Can these moments encourage you to have a dog for yourself? If so, comment down below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.